Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and I got one of those best-selling small trucks in the market today, the Ford Maverick. But before we get started, that is my telephone number there. I know a lot of people want to ask me questions on YouTube, and sometimes I get to them, but sometimes I'm helping customers here in the store, and I'm not on the computer doing that. So best thing is call us. If you have questions, you're looking to purchase something, call the store, let us help you out. Talk to John, our general manager, who's behind the camera. He can help you. I'm Chris, of course, Buddy. All those guys can help you. So what do we have here today? Swing around here. We got the Ford Maverick here, and we have the backflip MX4. This is a folding hardcover. Now, before I go into how it works, I want you to take a look how it looks. It's got a nice little texture finish here. It does look really nice because it sits in the bed. Look how flat this cover looks. There's a lot of great things about this. For example, it holds 400 pounds, which is a lot of weight. Now, that is evenly distributed, so keep that in mind. Also, it has a 5-year manufacturer warranty from Back Industries. Now, if we install it for you like we did with this guy, guess what? That 5 years is now 10. Very good warranty. So you might not even have the vehicle 10 years, but it's nice to know that your cover, the parts is covered for 10 years from the manufacturer. Now, we give you 1 year labor if we install it for you. So if we install it for you, the warranty gets doubled and you get 1 year labor. So we covered us and they cover the parts. So that being said, let's go in here and you can see it before I open up, take a look at very, very tight fit here. Again, the better the fit here, the better it's for water. Now, they're not waterproof. I know a lot of people think they're buying submarines and stuff like that. These are water resistant covers, so keep that in mind. So let's go and open it up. Now, what's nice about this, you do have a driver's side and passenger side release mechanism. Why is that good? Well, let's say you're on pull off to the side of the road on a highway and you got all the traffic on the driver's side. You might want to step onto the passenger side and open your cover. And as you can see, it opens up very nicely. You got a nice little seal here as well. Now, they did change the hardware from silver to black. Looks a little better. And again, you can drive with this partially open, which is nice. This basically locks in here. Now, you do have to secure this. I've seen people and they were like, oh, it falls out when I'm on the highway. I'm like, because they're not securing it. It's like, if you don't secure it, the wind will catch it. So if you're gonna skip steps, expect bad things. Now, again, this is a great looking cover, and when these are not in use, they just slide right underneath there and it holds it in place. Now, what's nice about this cover, a lot of people assume that all trifold covers work the same. They don't. Some fold 2 times, like this one you just did, but this also has a third fold that leans all the way up here. Now, what's nice about this, if you notice, it's not covering your third brake light there. So if you have a camera there, it doesn't cover it. Let's go and slide this in here. And you can drive with this like this. Now, you do have to secure both these. For the video, I'm only doing one. But if you're doing this, you need to secure both. Now, if you notice, the floor has all these holes in here. But we didn't use any of those holes for the drainage system. We put them off to the sides. There is actually a factory hole that we use, which we do like a lot. We didn't have to make a new hole. The reason we don't like using the floor is the simple fact is you're going to be putting stuff in there. Let's say you're going on a trip, you put your luggage in there. And I see amateurs put stuff in the floor and they knock the tubes out. And that's, next thing you know, it's raining and all that water is going right onto your luggage. Having them up and out of the way, you're not going to have that problem. So this is a smart way of doing this. Again, if you look here, you're getting pretty much 95 to 98% of the bed. And being a small bed, you don't want to give up any space. So this is a great setup. I know a lot of covers, it's either all the way open or all the way closed. This one does give you 2 options, being all the way open or partially open, which is another nice feature. By the way, when these are not in use, leave them up. You know why? I had the same customer, an older couple, and they kept calling me up and they said, it doesn't fit in there. I said, did you slide it up? What do you mean? It's like, it works a little better that way. You know, I do get some customers, sometimes you're like, I don't know about that. Again, really easy to open and close. Looks good, function good. We can ship it anywhere in the country. So if you don't live here in Florida, not a problem. We ship all the way to Hawaii. We ship Portland. We ship to Puerto Rico. We got the whole country plus some covered. We even sometimes have done stuff outside the country, which requires a few more steps. So that you have to call us on. Again, you can come here, let us put it on for you, double the warranty, add that extra 1 year labor, or we'll ship it to you. Either way, we got you covered. And if you buy from us and you're getting into the install and you have questions, you can call us. We'll walk you through it. I know a lot of times People buy from Amazon, they're putting it on, and of course, there's no one to talk to at Amazon. It's just a faceless company. And then they call Real Truck, who actually Back Industries, and sometimes they can't get a hold of a person. It's a very big company now, so getting that customer service is a little more difficult than it used to be in the past. That's why if you buy from us, we can help you, especially if it's a trickier install. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the backflip MX4 on a Ford Maverick. And before I forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.